Today, we will be showing you guys how to print past receipts on the CR360 or CR600. You want to start by switching your key over to Z, and if you have a code and password, you may enter it now. You want to press your -% button to go down to the option that says eJournal. Once you have selected eJournal, press subtotal to enter. And you want to press enter on by period. Here, it's asking you to put the date as year, month, date, hour, and minute. We'll start by putting in the year, month, day, and hour, which could be the time that you open up your shop. Press enter once you're done. Now 2, which will be 26, 03, 31, 10. To look at past receipts, it must be a full 24 hours before putting in from and to dates. For today, we will be doing past receipts for the entire month. Press subtotal again once you're done. Here, it's going to show you all of the different items that you put in throughout the month. You could press your card button to print out all of the receipts. Here, it will print out all of the receipts for the entire month.